Now this is freehold land. I'm standing in Momi and I have 7 acres of freehold near beachfront land available for sale. This is not to be missed, people. This is amazing. Look at those blue skies, and surrounded by green agriculture, and also all these distant trees. You can see the native coconut trees, palm trees, this big native tree over here. I think it's a tamarind tree by the looks of it. But what I'm trying to say is that you can have the slice of heaven over here. This is absolute beautiful. About good 35 to 40 minutes drive from Nani town, about an hour drive from Nani International Airport. This is not to be missed. This is freehold land, 7 acres. You can buy in parcels or you can buy the whole lot together. We have a range price for the different lots. So this is available right now. If you are in overseas and you are thinking that you want to run away from the COVID situation in your country and want to come and relax here, build your house, build your property and enjoy this lifestyle, this is the place to be. It's in Momi, near beachfront lots, few minutes walking distance to the beach, and absolute gorgeous slice over here. Give us a call today, which is +679 8636 315, or you can visit us on our website to look at other listings and more details on about this particular lot. This is close to Marriott. There is a Marriott resort about good 10 minutes drive from here. You also have Intercontinental, then you have Natandala Golf Course, you know, for all those golf loving people who want to come and reside here away from the hustle and bustle of the town, traffic, commercial living. Live here. Look at this, all this greenery. Look at those mountains, aren't they beautiful? Wow, absolute paradise. It's amazing. Beautiful piece of land, well located. It's within a driving distance of the comfort of living in the city and also living in the farm area. This is beautiful, nice and breezy. I don't think so you need an aircon when you live over here. It's very beautiful, very breezy, nice and cool, very quiet, peaceful, serene. So don't delay, give us a call on +679 8636 315. My name is Ravina. You can contact me